What if the sun turned off? Within 8 minutes, Earth would be swallowed by complete darkness. The light would simply vanish, as if someone turned off the universe. The sky would turn pitch black, even at midday. It would feel like endless night, everywhere, all at once. Temperatures would start to drop rapidly. The air would grow colder with every passing second. Soon, entire cities would begin to freeze. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would stop instantly. Plants would no longer grow. Life would begin to collapse from the very bottom. Plants would die quickly. Oxygen levels would slowly start to decrease. The air we breathe would become thinner day by day. Animals would starve as their food sources disappeared. Entire ecosystems would fall apart until nothing was left. The oceans would begin to freeze, starting from the surface. Over time, massive sheets of ice would cover the seas. Humans would panic, running through cold, dark streets, desperately searching for shelter and warmth. The moon would fade into darkness. It only reflects the sun's light, and now that light would be gone forever. The night sky would become darker than ever before. Stars would still shine, but the deep blackness would feel infinite. Cities would fall silent. Most buildings would go dark, but here and there, a few lights would still remain, faint and flickering. People would search for warmth underground, near volcanoes and geothermal vents, the last places with natural heat. The earth would keep spinning, cold, silent, lifeless. A frozen planet, slowly drifting through empty space. Maybe somewhere, far away, a small flashlight would still shine, a tiny spark in endless darkness. Could we create artificial suns to survive? Could we rebuild light and save what's left of our world? Could we move to other planets in time? Could humanity escape before everything freezes completely? Or would we simply vanish, disappear into eternal darkness like we never existed? What if you subscribe to find out more?